Yeah, hello everyone, it's the voice of Jeremy Effect, and in today we are going to be discussing the New Zealand USD. Alright, so first we can see that we had a big massive to the downside, and after an impulse we expect a correction. Alright, but wait to expect a correction at least into this area here. Alright, because that's where we actually find the last structure in the market. Alright, so from the weekly perspective, what we can clearly see from the weekly perspective that we have seen now the impulse have come, and we spoke about it with the students when market was actually in this area that we want to see a break above this structure here. So we'll go straight into the line and then use here. Alright, so we can see that around the structure actually the price broke above the structure. That was this big candle here, price broke above the structure. Alright, so came back for this retest, and actually that was when we gave another signal with the student that actually the students should start getting ready for a buy from this zone. Alright, to the push to the upside. Alright, so we have it that actually market came into that structure and then made a correction. So this was an impulse and this was a correction. Alright, so what we want to be seeing, price actually start making another push to the upside. So what we're going to have to go down to the lower times and see what kind of price action we are having. Alright, so during the break above the structure was actually this candle, and this was the correction actually starting to form. But first, what we want to see with the student, that what you want to be seeing price actually clearly break above the structure here in the market, and once that can happen, we are going to open. I want to be seeing price actually come into this zone, and because this was the last known level of structure. Alright, so we want to see price actually break above this zone. Alright, on the daily time frame, and then price actually trading above it. So once that can happen, we'll look to see reaction of the market, because one, we need to see that the market actually has commitment of commitment or plan actually heading our way before we actually come into the market. So one, we want to see commitment by price actually breaking above the structure and then starting a rally to the upside. So one, we can see that prices actually can actually be said to be at resistance, because looking at the H4, we can see that this was a last known resistance level, and price actually came down from this point to the downside. So we don't want to be trapped in such a scenario, but we're looking at price action inside of this area. If you have a reason to be involved in the trade, all right, instead of this area here, all right, we'll look to involve. But if price can actually do make a break above the structure, all right, from this point, can actually do a break above the structure, all right, and make a move to the upside. All right, on the retest, all right, we'll look to open a trade at this point. So we have to reevaluate the situation. So we look to open a trade inside of this area with the right risk reward for a push to the upside. All right, so where will we target the push to the upside? Okay, fine. If the price is actually give us an entry for a buy inside of this area, one of the entries we're looking at price actually doing a much more deeper retracement into this zone. All right, at least for a correction and for a good position to be for a buy. All right, so you can look at price actually coming to this zone, probably around the 50% or 60% Fibonacci level, which was this pivot level of structure here, and we can look to open a buy with the right risk reward, and we're going to target the upside. All right, so where will our target be? Our target will be when we take the Fibonacci extension from this swing high to this swing low. All right, so this is where we want to be taking our profit, around this area here for our take profit 1, and around this area here for our take profit 2. So we are going to take profit around the 144, around the 0.614, and also around the 0.62. All right, for our target area, and our risk now will be below here. So we can look to actually open a trade in this area once price actually come into that area and give us a bit of reaction for a trade action. All right, we can open a trade with the right risk reward here. All right, and our risk will be somewhere down here, and our take profit will be up here. So this will be like about 1:6.9 risk to reward. All right, so it's a good position to be and a good trade to take, and I would love to see you in another session. Have a wonderful day.